Yes, recently there was a very cool discovery made at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. And by at the museum, I literally mean at the museum, as there was a fossil discovered underneath the parking lot, which all around is very cool. Of course, the Denver Museum is a museum that I've gone to many times. It's one of my all-time favorite museums. So the idea that they made a discovery like that, I think, is just really cool. The fossil in particular is a vertebrate that belonged to an herbivorous dinosaur. It's also the oldest fossil found within the city of Denver, dating all the way back to 67.5 million years ago, so it's quite a bit old. Back then, of course, the Denver area was quite a bit different than what it is today. It was a lot more swampy, so, it's a very different, kind of like alien world in comparison. This could offer a lot of really cool insight about this area and the specific animals that lived there. So all around, it's a very exciting discovery, and just a very, coincidental discovery, because, obviously the Denver Museum has its own prehistory section, and, there was just a fossil just kind of, hanging out underneath there. But why were they digging underneath their parking lot, I hear you ask? Well, they were actually conducting a geothermal test. They were trying to see how viable it was to transition from natural gas to geothermal energy. They were also trying to get a better understanding of the whole geology around that Denver area. And they just happened to come across a fossil, which is just an awesome stroke of luck.